So this is the drone HT02 mini drone from Holyton. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure. Basically, what you get is this little creature here, which is very cool, and you get three batteries with it in the case, in the box. In fact, even you've got all the accessories in here that come with it, even a screwdriver, some spare propeller blades, and the charging ports for it and things. So it also comes with the controller here, which you can see I've connected my phone to it now through the Wi-Fi, so you can see, hopefully you can see on there, the picture. My hand's a bit jerky, sorry. Let's put it down there again. And there we go. So it flies. So if you push the button there, it basically, I've already paired it on this one. You push the button there, it takes off. And as you can see, hopefully you can see the footage. I'll try and show you this as well, actually, so you can see the actual display. Look, there we go. So you pan it around. It's pretty accurate. Oh, just the pilot that needs a little bit more training. I'd say I'm a complete novice at this. This is the first drone I've had, and I've had it about 2 weeks, and I have had a little bit of practice with it. Well, I have crashed it quite a lot, and so far it's stood up to it quite well. So then I'll bring it round here. Look, there we go. It's pretty accurate and pretty stable. I haven't trimmed it. There is a trimming function on it somewhere. Oh, and there's a function where you can get it to do a somersault as well. Let's just see if we can do that. I think you push that button there, and then, oh, yep, there you go. Oh, yep, that was the one. I see. I'm bringing it a bit closer. I don't know if you saw that. I'll try that again. Risky bit. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Okay. So there we go. That's the drone HT02. Also, it's got on this controller here, it's got speed functions on it. So if we press that, it goes faster. So you can speed up. There we go. You see how quick it goes now. And there's a third speed setting, which you press that again, and it's now in like really quick mode, which makes it a little bit more difficult to control. But I'm managing. There we go. Oh, not quite sure which way that's going to go. Right, here we go. Let's try and land it again on the table here. Put it in speed mode 1. Which way is the front? Well, it's finding difficult because I don't know which way the front. Oh, here we go. I think, no, that's not the front. That's not the front. No, that's not the front. Yep, that's the front there. Right, let's try and land it on the table here in front of us. Oh, oh, oh. Here we go. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, perfect landing. Cool. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed that. And there's, I'm going to write a bit more of a review to go with this. But yeah, it's a very cool bit of kit. Cheers. Thanks for watching.